nothing about circuits.
Hopefully. I'm watching it.
Sometimes the problem is when you teach an AP class, sometimes you have to teach, so much that nobody really learns anything at all. And sometimes AP classes, sometimes even though you're ready to take the AP class, you're not ready to learn as quickly. So one of my students was very upset in my last class. She said, "Do I have to have all of this for the test?" And I said, "No, you need a little percolating time. It's okay." But is that Castle 2? Is that Castle 2?
Yeah.
Okay. I was going to say, I have your Castle 1, right? Oh, okay. Anyway, I said, "No, I think you need a little percolating time." And she said, "Oh," I said, "No. You're only going to be tested on, the rest of it's on the final, because I think you really need percolating time." And what I did was, so anybody who did not get the study guide for the final in here? Anybody? Okay, I actually have extras you can use. What I did was, I've got a couple of targeted questions on simple circuits today. A couple of targeted questions next time on electric field and current electricity. I think you can work right on that worksheet. And then anything else I just kind of really picked in your textbook, I picked directed problems. Like instead of saying, "Oh, you got to do this for homework and then you got to do it to get ready for the final." Okay? So I just targeted a couple of directed problems for you so that you would be ready for the final. Because there is quite a bit of electricity on the final. Okay, anyway, I actually pulled out this picture, which is the inside of a light bulb, so that you could see one of the things I'm looking for in these Castle labs. It says, what does it say? Something about a continuous conducting path, which reminds me, I don't want to forget to bring a pencil. Continuous conducting path, I wanted you to see, you have to somehow get into the light bulb, and you have to go through the bottom of the light bulb, through the filament. Now here's what's really happening inside the light bulb. Notice this wire is connected at the tip. Do you see that? And then this is connected to a support wire. Now the support wire is pretty thick, so it provides what we say little resistance to charge flow. And so charges flow easily. This is the filament. That is made of a special type of material. Notice it's much thinner and it's curved. You're actually going to look at two different light bulbs in Castle 3, long bulbs and round bulbs. And you look at the filament through a magnifying glass so that you see why one of them lights brighter than the other. One has more resistance to the flow of charge because it has a thinner filament. In any event, you have to somehow get through the filament or you don't get light, right? Or heat. That's what the resistors are devices that resist the flow of charge as well, but they're made of something that dissipates that energy in the form of heat, not light. The light bulbs do in the form of heat as well. If you touch them when they're on, you'll notice that they do get hot, right?